Here it says that it's the Dimensity 800U, that 120 hertz display as I've told you, and 48 megapixel triple camera, and 30 watt charging with that 5000 milliamp hour battery. So certainly the specs actually look good, but let's see what do we get and what will be the pricing. I'll add the pricing details in the description, guys, so again check that out. So we're getting a case in the box, so that's nice actually, guys, and it's not transparent, it's slightly that dark gray, maybe because of the version of the color what they sent us. But yeah, let me just take this out, and they sent us this black color variant. They should have sent something else, but yeah, anyways, this is the exactly not black, it has that gradient tint, guys, and just looking at it, it looks like glass, but this might be that polycarbonate, but it certainly hides it and says Narzo, the triple camera. And yes, it has some heft. It should be about 195 to 190, between 195 to 200 grams, I believe. And so we get this dark charger. This is a 30 watt charger that it will charge it at 30 watts. And we also get a USB cable and a SIM ejector too. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's it. So that's what we get in the box. So let me just take out the SIM ejector tool. Just keep that. We'll look at the SIM slots also. Curious what they did. So let me keep this to the side. And let's look at this handset for now. And as you can see, let me give you a physical overview. On the top, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, guys. And here we have the fingerprint scanner that is embedded, the power button and the fingerprint scanner. We are seeing this a lot in many of the premium mid-range smartphones. So hopefully this is fast. Generally, these are actually really fast. So we'll test that. Bottom, the main speaker, this is the Type-C port, main microphone, and fortunately now we are getting a 3.5mm headphone jack. With the Realme X7, we didn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, if you recall. Here we have the volume rocker and the SIM slot. Let's look at the SIM slot. I hope they gave a triple slot. Well, these days, yeah. Oh, it's again a hybrid solution that you're getting, guys. So they should have gone with the triple slot, but this is what we are getting. But good thing is that because it's having the Dimensity 800U chipset, it does support 5G. It supports 4 bands of 5G, and both the SIMs actually support 5G whenever it comes. So that's nice. And we have a punch hole camera. So let me do one thing. Let me actually just boot this up. And once I set it up, we'll continue. So guys, I've set up this smartphone and here are the specs for the same. And I have to say, though it's having that 5000 milliamp hour battery, again, the weight balance is good. It does not feel super heavy like some of the phones. So that way I like it. And second thing that I really liked is that, yes, it's not a, what do you say, AMOLED screen or anything, but the screen quality, the IPS grade screen what they have put is actually really good on this one. And again, the big thing is that this is going at 120 hertz. You can set it to 60 also. Let's look at the settings. So very fluid in operations. Again, as I've told you guys, the settings over here. And the first thing, if you go to display, over here we have the regular mode, and generally the performance was very good. Just the color temperature was also and screen refresh rate, as you can see. So it'll be the same on this one. In fact, this has a 5000 milliamp hour battery. So curious, how will it last for 2 days or not? I'll test that. And let's look at the settings over here. And the first thing, if you go to display, over here we have the regular mode and all those things. You can adjust the color temperature and screen refresh rate. As you can see, right now it's an auto, but you can force it to 120 all the time or 60. I would suggest just leave it on auto, so whenever it requires that 120, it will ramp up, and when it's not required, it will go down. So I'm just keeping it this, and I'm using the full screen gestures, guys, as you can see over here, very fluid. And if we go to about the phone, these are the specs, and this is the higher end 8GB variant, and I haven't installed any app, guys. So out of that 128GB, you'll get 113GB. I wish it had a triple slot, but this is what we are getting, and pretty clean UI. And let's now look at the pre-installed apps, and I would say not a lot of junkware. Yes, there are some extra apps like Amazon, Flipkart. Let's see if we can uninstall it. Yes, good thing we can uninstall it. Let's see if we can uninstall even Facebook. Some phones don't allow. Yeah, you can uninstall, so that's nice. There is some pre-installed stuff. Let me see if we can uninstall some of the Realme stuff. Generally they don't allow. Oh, you can even uninstall that, so that's good. There is some bloatware, not total rubbish junk, but you can uninstall a lot of things, so that's actually Nice. And pretty fluid, guys, that's what I'm noticing. And left, if we go, you get that Google pane, so I like that. This we are getting with the new Realme phone, so I really like this left. So what they are doing is this is not stock Android, obviously, it's their own custom scan, but what they're trying to do is make it closer to the stock Android experience. So I like this, and again, it's very fluid. They say this is 180 hertz touch sampling, and yes, it's very smooth. So that way it's nice. Now let's look at the fingerprint scanner. It's over here embedded in the power button, and if I just keep my finger, it's unlocking, as you can see, very fast. So again, no issues. And obviously it also has this punch hole camera, so you can also enroll in that face unlocking. I didn't do that, but looks like the fingerprint scanner, as you can see, is very responsive, so no issues regarding that. Now also let's look at the camera on this one. Let's look at the speakers. I'm curious to see the speaker. They say that this one also has Dolby audio and all these things, so I'm curious. It's a single speaker what they have, but let's look at YouTube, and I'm just going to play one of my own videos. Budget oriented one, so let's have a closer look at the same. And guys, it's a review note, so I don't know the exact pricing here. I don't think so the pricing, so you can go up to 4K. This is the new update that YouTube has rolled out, so you can go even on this one. Simply cannot be priced at that much. It's a budget oriented device. I feel from so I would say, and as you can see, the orientation changes also fast on this. And the speaker, yes, it's a single speaker. I wish that they gave a stereo speakers, but it's actually definitely loud and clear. And I like the fact that they have retained the 3.5mm headphone jack on this one, so I'm glad they did that. So that way it's nice. But now let's also look at the camera. It's having that triple camera setup. Main camera is a 48 megapixel, then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, then we also have a 2 megapixel, that's a macro. This is not the fourth camera, guys, this is the flash. So let's look at it. So again, the same Realme UI you are getting. As you can see, this is regular, this is that ultra wide, and again, very fast in terms of shutter speed. So guys, this is the typical UI that we find on most Realme smartphones. So let me not bore you. Let me actually show you some sample shots that I've taken with the same. So these were the samples taken with the rear facing camera, and as you can see, it did actually a pretty good job in outdoor conditions. This was a regular shot, this was that portrait mode, and this was with that wide angle lens. Again, some more samples, regular shot, this was the portrait mode. And this was in harsh lighting, and here I enabled the portrait mode. The thing is that even in dull lighting conditions and night also, it performed actually pretty well. These were taken in the morning times, but these were taken at night, and just notice the shot. This was taken regular mode, and this was taken in the night mode. The night mode really lights up things, as you can see. Again, to give you an example,